welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are opening up my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March 2022. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron. He usually helps me with unboxings and unbaggings. And here on my channel, I do a lot of unboxings. And I do makeup related material. And I am agoraphobic. So I do talk about agoraphobic topics and mental health issues. And if you're interested in any of that, or if you're interested in all of that, then I always suggest you hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video.
The old click and tap.
So if you're interested in today's topic, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, so this is the bag for March. It always comes in about similar to this. This is what it looks like. Very geometric.
Hubert.
That's what everybody's saying. And it says bold moves only on glow. Whatchamacallit here. And you get 5 full-size items. You get to pick 3. Okay, there are only...
Is that one of them there?
I guess. And they sent something extra, but this is not what I
mean, that wouldn't have fit in there, you know, clearly, so...
Okay, they sent me something extra. They sent me this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna mascara, but I didn't pick this.
I think I have that one.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's get through this. Okay, Ipsy, you're getting as bad as BoxyCharm.
Drag our way through another unbagging.
You're starting to get as bad as BoxyCharm.
Do better, Ipsy.
The theme is power moves, and they don't tell you anything in this. I don't even know why they send that.
Hyaluronic acid.
But we did pull my account up on Aaron's phone so we can read about the products and tell you prices and everything.
Hooray.
So what is the first? Okay, the first things are what they picked for me. So what is the first thing?
Vitabrid. Not Vitabird. Vitabrid. C12. Wrinkle Serum.
What are you trying to tell me?
Why you'll love it. $72. Our MSRP full size 30 milliliter face serum. This serum is packed with firming peptides. They help signal skin cells to ramp up collagen production, and a combo of antioxidant-rich niacinamide and bisabolol. To help soften and prevent fine lines and minimize skin discoloration. How to use it. Gently massage 2-3 drops into your face and neck both morning and night.
Oh, that's a nice smell.
It's free from fragrance, parabens, silicone, and mineral oil.
It does have a little scent.
Vitabird C12 is a biotech company, meaning they take the science of skincare seriously. Seriously.
Not a bad scent. Okay. Does it say when to use it?
Morning and night.
Morning and night.
Put that niacinamide and bisabolol on your face. Bisabolol.
That's good because I'm running out of my niacinamide.
Bisabolol.
Okay. What's next?
Next item is Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Polishing Mask. This looks familiar.
I had this.
They're just like warehouses with all the same stuff, and they're just rotating it around and around, aren't they?
You probably have it too if you look through stuff.
Everyone has it.
I really like this.
$45, 70 milliliter full size face mask. Product exfoliator Parts face mask. The 2-in-1 formula leaves skin feeling smooth, soft, hydrated, and glowing thanks to antioxidant-rich pumpkin, papaya, turmeric, and ginger. Smooth a thin, even layer on clean, damp skin. Leave it on for up to 10 minutes, then rinse. Also, your furry friends will love it. This fave is cruelty-free.
Okay.
Well, that means we're not going to use it on the furry friends.
I highly recommend this. Don't buy it from Yensa's site, but if you see it on Ipsy, I recommend
high-tech formulas, powerful superfoods, and a focus on complexion perfection make Yensa a must-have.
Okay, what's next?
And it's got one of these swirly knot things on the top.
Next is things that I picked out, which I've been noticing, watching other people unbag their bags, that they've had different choices than I had.
They don't give you all the same choices?
I don't think they give everybody the same choices.
That depends on what they got, right?
So,
Solm Institute Boost Warming Mask.
I love masks.
$45 for 3-ounce full size. Face mask powered by a blend of exfoliating pumpkin enzymes. I'm seeing a theme here. Pore purifying zeolite clay and oil absorbing kaolin clay. This weekly Tream Tent mask. That's what it says. Tream Tent.
That smells really good.
See? Tream Tent. Is the perfect pick-me-up for dull, tired skin. Plus, the gentle warming sensation feels so luxurious. How to use it? Apply to clean.
It's felt all the way up to the top, too.
Yeah. Apply to clean, dry skin and leave on for up to 10 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. It's 100% cruelty-free. Never tested on animals.
Well, that's good to know.
What if we tested on our animals? No, it has been. Ha, 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 ha. We ruined it for you. So, yeah. Pumpkin enzymes.
Okay, what's next?
Pumpkin power. Let's see, what else we got? Skylar.
Oh, yeah, I've been wanting to try this.
The North Sky Roller Ball.
People keep talking about this scent.
I like the roller ball. $29, 10 milliliter full size fragrance. This yummy fragrance is infused with notes of vanilla, cappuccino, bergamot, bergamot, sandalwood, and cinnamon bark that'll transport you to someplace warm and toasty. Roll it on your pulse points to smell amazing on the go. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and totally free of parabens and phthalates. Yeah. No phthalates there.
Okay.
But is there any pumpkin in it? Apparently not.
I like it, but I don't get what the craze is about it.
It's craze.
Cappuccino.
Everybody crack
Pure vanilla. Caramelized. What is caramelized cedar?
You burn it a little bit?
Layers well with fall cashmere and salt air. Is that...
Why are you getting it now, then?
Is that other of their scents?
Mm.
I like it. It's a nice...
They didn't give you the mascara you wanted. I think you already figured that out, though. You were supposed to get Cella, a good drama mascara in black. You picked this.
Yeah, I got the Fenty Full Frontal, which...
You did not pick this.
I did not pick this. What I was supposed to get was...
This.
Read about it anyway.
Here's the thing you did not get. 10 milliliter full size mascara. A few coats give lashes major length, volume, and thickness for a high drama look. Even better, it's water resistant, so you don't need to worry about the formula smearing or running during the day. How to use it? Wiggle the mascara wand from the base of your lashes to the tips, adding more coats for more intensity. It's vegan and cruelty free.
How much was it?
$25.
Can you look up how much the Fenty costs? We'll pause. Okay, so the Fenty was $24. So they gave me a less expensive mascara. Okay, I'm not mad about it.
Annoyed about it?
I'm annoyed. Yes, I'm very annoyed about it. Because I didn't want this. This has a weird wand on it. Yeah.
Weird wand.
Okay. Did you already exit out?
Yes. That was the last one.
I wanted to add everything up.
Oh, we should have been noting them down as we went along.
I'll add everything up and put it down here for all the retail value of the whole bag. Okay.
Now, how much is the bag worth?
I don't know.
I'm guessing $3. $4?
I don't know.
MSRP $5.
Okay. What do y'all think? Do y'all get this bag? What did y'all pick? Did y'all get any of these products in your bag?
Did you actually get what you picked?
Did you actually get what you picked? Yeah, so I got the Vitabrid C12 Wrinkle Serum. I got the Yinsa Pumpkin Turmeric Radiance Polishing Mask 2-in-1.
Power of the pumpkin.
I'm excited about this. The Som Institute Warming Anti-Aging Mask. This is okay. I thought it's... Did you want to smell it?
Yeah, not bad.
Vanilla Sky by Skylar. And this Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, which I don't know if I would have liked the other one any better.
You call the shots, except when you don't.
Let's see what this says. It says Dynamic Skincare Duos. Ingredients that just work better together.
I've seen this before. They did this last time.
Did they really?
Yeah, I've seen it. They had one just like this before, where they had pairs of ingredients.
Antioxidants plus SPF. Why don't you read it? You can read it funnier than me.
So I guess this is like, you know, if you're designing your own skincare or something like that. You want to know what combos are good?
I guess.
Antioxidants plus SPF. Free radical fighting antioxidants help neutralize rays that might slip through your sunscreen. Retinol plus peptides. Top your retinol with skin-firming peptides. They'll penetrate deeper and minimize irritation.
I'm scared of retinol also. I like using bakuchiol stuff instead.
If it doesn't end with acid, we're not interested in it. I think vitamin C actually is an acid, though. Is that citric acid? This classic vitamin C plus ferulic acid. This classic brightener becomes more stable and effective when paired with its ferulic BFF. Aw, they're BFFs.
I've never heard of ferulic acid.
I didn't know that chemicals could be BFFs with each other.
What's ferulic acid?
They have, like, sleepovers, and they pass each other notes in class. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid. Targeting zits can zap moisture, so give it a hydrating, hyaluronic boost to nix dry patches. Nix them.
Okay.
Ceramides and squalane. Squalane doesn't sound like something that, you know, that you want to put on your skin. I don't know what it is, but it sounds like some sort of we had a leak in one of the storage tanks at work, and it released, 300 meters of squalane, and they had to evacuate the entire block. That's what that sounds like. Something that you'd have chemical alarms that would go off when it got into the air. Nourish and strengthen your skin's barrier, then lock it all in with a layer of squalane. Squalane locks your skin in tight. And what's the, what was it? What do they call it? The LD50. Yeah, what's the LD50 of squalane?
This sounds like the boxy. Who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss.
Boom.
Whether it's sticking to self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing.
Kick that goal's ass.
Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your choices were if you get this bag.
And if you think that squalane sounds terrifying.
I got some squalane, I just haven't used it yet. from The Ordinary.
Yeah.
And
I heard a squalene gets over 500 ppm in the ambient atmosphere, then it makes the lab monkeys explode.
okay. We hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there. And if you are not, we hope something comes along and, what does this say?
Kickstarts the next big thing. Help you conquer every goal like a boss.
Yeah.
Swipe on your boldest lip.
So that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. And if you're having an especially hard time, we are sending you out those good vibes.
Right.
And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And I will see you in the next video tomorrow.
And we care about you, just like vitamin C cares about ferulic acid.
Okay. Just stay well until then. Goodbye.